Question 14, this is our last question in this section. Then you have one more review after this. As part of a class project at a large university, Amber selected a random sample of 12 students in her major field of study. All students in the sample were asked to report their number of hours spent studying for the final exam and the score on the final exam. A regression analysis on the data produced the following partial computer output. So this should look familiar again. This is your A and B. So that's your slope. That's your standard error of your slope. And if we're going to use an interval, we're going to use these two numbers here. So right off the bat, it's going to be A again, right? Because we have 0.745 only happening in one spot. Don't divide it by anything. But where's the slope? Remember, this is Amber wants to compute a 95% confidence interval for the slope of the least squares regression line in the population of all students of her major field of study. Assuming that conditions for inference are satisfied, which of the following gives the margin of error? And remember, margin of error is your statistic plus or minus this stuff. So we don't need that 2.697. That's before the plus or minus sign. And that 2.228, since we have 12, degree of freedom is going to be 12 minus 2, which is 10. So we plug that in our calculator, do inverse t, and this is 95%, change that to 10. There's your 2.228 right there. And that's all. Thank you for watching these. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you even if you don't contribute in the chat function or unmute yourself, but you're sitting there listening and you're trying. I just know that you're working hard and I appreciate it. You have a good one. Thank you.